In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a new job update on LinkedIn. If you've been with a company for some time and have been promoted or switched roles, perhaps moving from an apprentice to a full-time employee, you can easily reflect this change on your LinkedIn profile by stacking your roles together. I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that your profile accurately showcases your career progression. Let's start by heading over to LinkedIn and opening up your profile. To do this, click on your profile icon at the top or select Me and then choose View Profile. Once you've landed on your profile page, scroll down to find the Experience section. Here you'll see a plus icon. Click on this and choose Add Position. At the top of the form that appears, you'll notice an option to notify your network about this new role. If you want your connections to see the update, keep this toggle turned on. For more privacy, you can switch it off. Let's begin by adding your first position. In the job title field, type something like Apprentice. For our purposes today, we'll leave the employment type field blank, but feel free to fill it in if you prefer. When you get to the company or organization field, search for your company's name. If it comes up in the drop-down list, select it. If it doesn't, you'll need to type the name manually. If LinkedIn suggests a different company, just click No to maintain accuracy. Since this first role is in your past, ensure that you uncheck the box that says, I'm currently working in this role. Next, add your start and end dates, include the location, and write a brief description of your responsibilities and achievements in that position. Once you're satisfied with the information, click Save. Now we'll move on to adding your new role. Head back to the Experience section, click the plus icon once more, and select Add Position. This time, input your new job title, like Marketing Specialist. Just like before, you can skip the employment type field for now. Under Company or Organization, be sure to type your company's name exactly as you did in the previous entry. This consistency is key to successfully stacking the two roles together. If you see your company in the list, select it. If not, carefully type it as you did before. Ensure the box for I am currently working in this role is checked, and then proceed to add your start date, location, and a description of your new role's duties and accomplishments. When everything looks good, hit Save. Now, when you scroll through your Experience section, your company name should appear with both roles neatly listed underneath it. If they're not stacked, double-check the dates and make sure the company name is spelled exactly the same in both entries. And that's how to add a promotion on LinkedIn. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.